G'day everyone. Never guess what I've been doing? We've been shopping again for trees. And this is a short video to give you an update on what's going in. We went out to Primal Fruits, and that's a rare tree nursery. And Cyrus spent a fair bit of time chatting with us. We'll be putting some of that discussion up on a longer video. But what did we get? And this is quite an interesting little mix. First of all, we got some larger trees. And here we have one that has a lot of medicinal properties. It's a soursop, and you make tea with the leaves, and you also get the fruit. So this is one that I'll be discussing in detail, hopefully with Cyrus joining me, on the medicinal properties of some of these plants. So I've got the soursop. It'll have to go in a nice sheltered place. Another one I've been hoping to get for quite some time, that's this one here. It's not so much rare, but it's very hard to get the fruit in our environment. And this is a custard apple, Paxton prolific to be exact. So again, we'll find somewhere nice for that one. There's a couple of not so rare ones here that we've been trying to get for a while. And this is the Alfonso mango. And this is meant to be a really nice Indian mango? Well, there we go. The camera person knows more about it than I do. The king of mangoes. So that will be going in the ground in a special garden bed that I'll be planting fairly shortly. So stay tuned for that one. We have an avocado here. And this one, again, is not the most common. It's a shepherd. It's mostly grown in Queensland, but it's one that fruits out of season with the Hass. So when you run out of Hass avocados cheap in the shop, hey Roof, you'll be getting your shepherd avocados at that time. So that should be rather nice, I hope. Now this is where we start to get the less common ones. And what we have here is a mulberry tree. Now you might think mulberry, that's really common. Not this one. This is a true English mulberry. Now we quite often get the Hickson, I think it's Hickson anyway, black mulberry. Very common around the place. We've got the chatoots, I've got a white mulberry, lots of other mulberries. But the English mulberry, the true English mulberry, is actually quite rare over here. So he's only a little one, but there he is, something rather unusual. This is another really rare one, and I'll put a picture of it up there, but it's a Banana Pitanga. Now this fruit is somewhat like the custard apple, I believe. Cold weather fruit normally, but we'll be finding somewhere nice for that. Banana Pitanga. If you tried it, let me know in the comments what it's like. Okay, this tiny little fella here is a Sapodilla, I think, WFS. I'll correct myself up there if I'm wrong. We didn't pay for all of these. Cyrus actually gave us a few for nothing. And you just knocked my mulberry tree over. Do you want that? This one is so rare, I don't even know the name of it. I'll look it up and pop it up there. Now here we have a very interesting one. This is yet another ginger. Now I've got all my normal ginger growing, haven't we, Ruth? But we've also got the redback ginger, and now we have yet another ginger. This is mango ginger. And it's meant to have quite a strong mango scent to the rhizomes. So we're putting that in with our other ginger, growing it and probably just propagating it for the first couple of times so we can get enough to have a decent crop. And then finally, we have these little fellas. And these are particularly hard to grow. And these were actually free from Cyrus, thank you Cyrus. And it's small vanilla orchids. So we're going to try and grow our own vanilla beans. We'll have to grow these inside in sheltered conditions. And what are you doing, dog? Come on, out you go. Come on, off you go. So we've got a couple of those, two of those that he's given us. which we will attempt to grow in a nice, warm, humid environment. So we'll probably make up a little terrarium for these out of a cool drink bottle or something similar. And we'll see how we go with those. So that's our little haul from Primal Fruits. If you're in the Perth region, recommend you go on the website and book a time to go and visit Cyrus. Very interesting fella and a very interesting yard. So let me know in the comments if you tried any of these and how it went. You enjoy life. Like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and Rufus will see you in the garden.